Hi there, welcome to Sugar Hiccups. Today I am working on my 15-minute challenge. And for those of you who are not familiar with it, there are 10 challenges that are suggested by Johanna, and she suggests you do them in 15 minutes or less. So today I am on challenge 7, and challenge 7 is to use images. Just use images, whether it's photographs or cutouts from a magazine or what have you. As long as you do images in 15 minutes or less, you have completed your challenge. So let's get started. I already know that I am working on a beach theme. My family had taken a vacation a few months back and we had gone to the beach. And so I have a lot of images from the beach. So I want to use those. So I got this image from a magazine that was put out at the beach that we were at. And so I know I want to put that here. Okay, this looks like this fits nicely. And I'm going to glue it. And I believe my next image, I'm going to use this one of my son. So I'm going to take this picture and I am going to use the article I took this from. And here is my final page. Late afternoon, enjoying the beach. Thank you so much, and we'll see you next time on Sugar Hiccups. Bye-bye.